Hi there, today I will be guiding you through how to use Leonardo AI. Using it is very simple. The first thing is open the browser. Which you prefer to use? In the Google search bar, search for Leonardo. On the top you will see the first website of Leonardo. Click on it and then you will be moved to that page, where you can log in or create your account. Here you can see the icon of Launch App. Because my account data is already saved, that's why it's saying Launch App. But if you are using it for the first time, then it will ask to sign in or log in your account. Now, if you are seeing the icon of login or sign up, click on that, and you will see this page where you can sign up or log in with some account. The first one is Apple, then Google, Microsoft, and can continue with any random email. I will use my Google account, so I will click on it. And here you can see the main interface of Leonardo AI. In the free version of Leonardo, it will give you 150 tokens, and you can use it for creating images, videos, or even you can upscale your images. Here you will see real-time canvas, flow state videos, image generation, upscale, and canvas editor, and more. If you take a look on the left side, you will see more options which will allow you to use these for your purposes. The thing that I will do is I will create an image with the help of Leonardo, and you can check all other by yourself. So click on an image. Now here, I need to write a prompt about my image, means what kind of image I want to generate. But before writing the prompt, here you can see model and preset. Click on it and choose the model which you prefer. Each preset will cost different tokens. My anime style will cost only 8 token. But if I click on the option Lucid Realism, you can see the tokens is now converted into 34. So it's up to you which you want to choose. Like I will use concept art. Now below, you will see style. Click on it and choose the style which you prefer. And you can try all these by yourself. Here is the contrast. You don't need to change anything, just change image dimension to small, medium, large, and you can change the number. But if you want to change the number to 3, then you need to purchase the plan. So that's why I will let it be as it is. Now, time to generate image with the help of Leonardo. If you don't know how to write a prompt, no need to worry. You can use Gemini or ChatGPT for writing prompt, and you can use in Leonardo. But for now, I will write a random prompt, so let me write. So I write a random prompt, build a house in the middle of the jungle. If I click on the option video, then it will create a video, but I will select image. After selecting, simply hit generate. Then below you will see it starts generating 4 different images based on my prompt. Just wait for the time until this generation will be completed. Now these are the Leonardo creations, and it's perfect. But if you think these generations are not good, then click on the icon generate. Then it will start generating again. Do it until you will get your desired image, and that's it.